In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get link to sign up form Klaviyo. To begin, make sure you are logged in to your Klaviyo account and you are on the main dashboard. The goal here is to create a sign up form that lives on its own page and then grab the direct link Klaviyo generates for it. This is especially useful if you want to share the form in a social bio, a button on your website, a QR code, or anywhere you need a clean, clickable URL. First, look at the left-hand sidebar menu and click Sign Up Forms. This takes you to the area where all of your forms are managed, including pop-ups, embedded forms, and full-page forms. Next, click Create from Scratch. Creating from scratch ensures you are building a brand new form with the exact type you need, instead of modifying a template that may include extra settings. Now select Full Page as the form type. This choice matters, because only a full-page form is designed to open as a standalone page with a shareable address. Other form types are meant to appear on your site rather than act as their own link destination. After that, you will choose the list connected to the form. Pick the correct list for the audience you want to collect, such as your main newsletter list or a list created for a specific campaign. Selecting the right list keeps your new subscribers organized and makes it easier to target the right follow-up emails later. Once your list is selected, click Create Form to generate the full-page form. When the form is ready, go to the top right and click Publish. Publishing is what makes the form live and accessible, so do not skip this part. If the form is not published, the direct link will not be usable for real visitors. Finally, after you publish, you will see a success pop-up. In that pop-up, copy the direct URL. This is the exact link you can paste anywhere you want people to sign up. It is a good idea to paste it into a Notes app or a document right away, so you can reuse it later without needing to return to the pop-up. That covers everything you need to know.